Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to build an awesome PC under 60,000 Taka, perfect for both low FPS gaming and average video editing. This build is actually for my personal use. So let's start with the component overview. So processor, we are using the Ryzen 5 5600G3, a perfect balance of performance for gaming and productivity. This processor has 6 cores, 12 thread, 16 MB of cache memory, with a base clock of 3.6 GHz and boost clock of 4.6 GHz. The processor is priced under 15,000 Taka. Second, the motherboard, we have chosen the Gigabyte B450M DS3H V3, which offers solid reliability and good feature for the price. It also includes 2 ARGB header, which is why I chose this motherboard, and it cost around 10,000 Taka. You can choose another motherboard based on your budget. RAM. For memory, we have the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 8GB per stick for a total 16GB. This RGB RAM complements the wide aesthetic of our build and deliver excellent performance in cost around 17,000 Taka. Storage, we are using the Miphi MP300 512GB NVMe SSD with sequential read speed up to 3400 Mbps and write speed of 300 Mbps. It cost around 7,500 Taka. CPU cooler. We have the Deepcool AG400WH ARGB V2, which keeps CPU cool under heavy loads and adds stylish, customizable ARGB lighting. The price is around 3,000 Taka. Power supply. We have chosen the Revenger Light Power 350W PSU because I already have it. However, at under 2,000 Taka, you can pick another PSU that suits your budget and needs. PC case. The Valutop V900 white case is chosen because I already have it. You can pick another case available in the market and it costs around 3,500 Taka. This is the Marvo Nero 40 white edition mouse. It's not included in the build budget, but it's a great option for under 1600 Taka. Its feature Marvo's gaming software, 12,000 dpi sensor and weight around 55 grams. It's a fantastic mouse for its price, and I think it's a best mouse in this price. Those are the specification of our component. Now let's move on and check out the actual PC build. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoy this PC build, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family who might find it helpful. Thank you and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Gulabi.